Do you want to catch exact market bottom and top? Then you are at the right place. In today's video, we will learn what is delta divergence and why it is important to learn to track big player positions in the market. Before starting the main video, I will show you a few best trade opportunities that were captured through delta divergence. In the very first opportunity, you can clearly see there is a delta divergence candle. There is a proper entry and one candle stop loss, and there is a very good target which is more than 1:6 RR. In the next opportunity, there is a delta divergence candle, a perfect entry and a one candle stop loss, and there is a target of more than 1:10. In the next opportunity, there is a delta divergence candle, proper entry and a two candle stop loss, and a proper target of more than 1:2. If you go with the volume, the candle is green, the volume will be green. The candle is red, the candle is red, the volume will be red. Same way, when we plot here the histogram, this setting is, I have done it for, let's say delta. Candle color is green, delta is green. The candle color is red, delta is red. So it's the same as volume. Most of the time it is same as volume. The market is running normally. Candle, red delta, green candle, green delta. Okay, but what exactly is delta? Simply, volume was buy quantity plus sell quantity. Here, the delta is buy quantity minus sell quantity. It means it is just giving you net leftover. You can say, right? Net quantity that are there. So I assume if there are 500 buy order, there are 200 sell order, the delta would be 300 because the buyers are more, it will count positive. If it is positive, the color would be green for delta, and the candle obviously was moving up. It is telling you this is a, because it's a market order, and delta is green and candle color will also be green in that case, and vice versa for the sell. When the value are 500, here the value are 1200 for the sell, the value would be minus 700 because it is minus and delta is negative. Negative delta, there are more number of sell order, the delta would be red in color, and your candle color would also be red in color normally. And it works same as volume, right? It gives you the specific volume, you can say, right? So that is nothing, that is a delta, and delta works on a market order. So I can say all these order that you are seeing here are market orders. Clear? Anyone having any doubt here, guys? Let me know. This looks like है ना 10वीं की क्लास वाला टीचिंग का, बड़े ध्यान से सुन रहे हो आप सभी. Okay, jokes apart. So let's move forward. So here, let me just place this way. Now, you will find that this red is red, red candle, red delta. Here, green candle, green delta. Now, here, understand that red candle, green delta. Anywhere, red candle, green delta. Red, green candle, red delta. These are the things over there. So let me put up this way. So this is the normal candle, market order. Basically, it can be retailer, it can be big player, I don't know. But whenever you are getting a divergence, which is this divergence, and how it is a divergence? Because your delta is green, your candle is red. What I told you, because there are delta is telling you that this is green, there are more number of market buyers. Then why this candle become red? Because this system gives you only market order, and only at one place this candle would be red when this level is being, there are more number of market buyers, but there are more number of limit seller. So it means your market buy, because there are 200, let's say just 200 sellers were there, market seller. There are 500 market buyer were there who are being adjusted while there are 10,000 of sellers are there. It means these 300 will be sold and there were more of seller into the market. That's why your candle color become red. And this is the only place where it tells you this is a limit seller position. This is a limit player position. It's a big player position. So that there's a divergence into the market.